What role do epigenetics play in vestibular migraine? Imagine your genes as a set of instructions for your body, but how those instructions are used can change based on your environment and experiences. That's where epigenetics comes into play. Epigenetics involves changes that turn genes on or off without changing the actual DNA sequence. These changes can influence how your body responds to triggers that cause vestibular migraine. Vestibular migraine is a type of migraine that causes dizziness, vertigo, and balance issues, along with typical headache symptoms. It's believed to be caused by a mix of genetic, environmental, and epigenetic factors. Epigenetic mechanisms include processes like DNA methylation, where tiny chemical groups attach to DNA and change gene activity. Histone modifications are another, where proteins around which DNA wraps are altered to influence gene expression. RNA regulation also plays a role in controlling which genes are active. In vestibular migraine, epigenetic changes can affect genes involved in the trigeminal system. This system links the trigeminal nerve, which transmits facial sensations, to blood vessels in the brain. When these genes are altered epigenetically, it can lead to increased neurogenic inflammation and pain during a migraine attack. For example, the gene CALCA encodes a neuropeptide called calcitonin gene-related peptide, which plays a key role in migraine. Changes in how this gene is expressed can make migraine attacks more intense or more frequent. Epigenetics can also influence how the brain processes sensory signals. It can alter the balance between excitatory signals that stimulate the brain and inhibitory signals that calm it down. This imbalance can make someone more sensitive to vestibular and pain stimuli, leading to dizziness and vertigo during a migraine. Brain regions like the brainstem vestibular nuclei and pathways connecting the thalamus to the cortex are affected by these changes. Environmental factors such as stress, lack of sleep, hormonal shifts, or even diet can trigger epigenetic modifications. These factors can turn certain genes on or off, making some people more prone to episodic symptoms. This explains why some individuals experience fluctuating severity and frequency of vestibular migraine symptoms based on lifestyle or external influences. Understanding epigenetics opens doors to new treatment possibilities. Some medications used for migraine, like valproate, have effects on epigenetic processes. Valproate can inhibit enzymes called histone deacetylases, which can change gene activity and potentially reduce migraine frequency. While research is ongoing, knowing that gene regulation plays a role helps explain why some treatments work better for certain people. In summary, epigenetics acts as a bridge between your inherited genes and your environment. It influences how genes related to migraine and vestibular symptoms are expressed, shaping the development and variability of vestibular migraine. This understanding highlights the importance of both genetic makeup and lifestyle factors in managing this complex condition.